Hey guys, it's Vanessa. Um, I know this lighting is terrible, but it's 9 o'clock at night and it's the best I could do in my house right now. So I wanted to try something a little bit new with this challenge group. I'm going to try and do some videos here and there so you feel like there's a real person rather than just words yelling at you via Facebook. So just a couple things to start us off, and it's a little late. I should have probably done this a couple of days ago, but like I said, it's a new idea that I'm working with. Um, so this group is to help keep everybody accountable, myself included. That's one of the reasons that I like doing these challenge groups because it really helps me stay on top of what I'm trying to do because I'm trying to help you guys do it too. So the only way that we can help hold each other accountable is if we're all here and we're all checking in daily or close to daily to try and keep things going and to keep everyone honest. This group is secret, which means that only the people that are in the group even can tell that the group exists. No one else knows that you're a part of this group except for the people that are in the group. There's no judgment in this group, so please share openly, and we're all here to support each other and help each other reach our goals. Nothing will get shared outside of this group by me or by anyone else in the group unless you give express permission for us to do so. So a couple of things that I want you guys to do or to know that are your daily responsibilities being in this group. So daily, I want you guys to try to post a picture of what you're eating, your meal prep, your food in your containers if you're doing 21-day fix, a recipe that you're trying out or something that you have questions about. Post a picture of that so that we all kind of help each other stay honest there. 5 or 6 days a week, I want you guys to post either a picture of yourself doing a workout or a sweaty selfie from you afterwards. Or if you're really not comfortable with doing that, just post what workout you did or your max out time if you're doing max 30. Um, Again, that will just kind of help us all be accountable to that. Once a week, if you can, if you have something that you want to share, once a week, let's all try to post something that is not fitness related. So just something that's going on in your life, a funny story that happened to you, a picture or quote that you saw that you liked. And that just kind of helps us all get to know each other a little bit better. And it's easier to support and uplift people if you know them rather than just some stranger in a Facebook group. Be honest if you're having a really hard time, or you just really hated whatever workout you just did, or you're sore and you're tired, or you just really want to eat a giant bowl of ice cream, post it. Let people know what you're struggling with. Um, if we think that everyone is doing perfect all the time, it makes us have a lot harder time supporting ourselves when we're having those hard times. So be honest. When people comment that they're having a hard time, comment back. Let them know that you're here, that we're all here to support each other. And really just, I mean, all this goes into saying just be present in this group. The more you put into it, the more that we will all get out of it. So just a couple things on food tips. So like I've already posted, make sure you're taking some time, usually just a couple hours a week. At one point this week I did mine an hour in 3 or 4 different segments, but take some time to be doing your meal prep. This really will save you and keep you on track with your food, which is more important probably even than your workouts. Share things that you find that are working for you, that are not working for you. Like I said, recipes that you found that are great, that you love or that you hate. If you're having a really hard time, especially the first couple days while your body is adjusting to your new diet plan, try to be patient. Try to distract yourself. If you're really hungry, grab your water bottle and drink some water first before you go right to food. Give yourself 10 or 15 minutes to decide if you're actually hungry or if you were just thirsty. And really, I am recently a new believer in this, but have your Shakeology. Have your Shakeology at your time of day when you know is when you want to snack the most. For me, it's that 3 to 4 o'clock hour, and it really helps me keep my cravings, especially for sweet things, under control. And then last but not least, I know that I've already told you guys this, but I don't think anyone's done it yet. write down at least 3 goals that you want to achieve, and they don't all have to be physical. They can be just feeling happier, being less tired, which I guess is physical. But weight, inches, energy, anything like that. Write them down and share at least one with this group, and then the rest, all of them together, put them somewhere that you'll see them so that you can remind yourself that that's what you want to be working on. So that's all I have. We start tomorrow morning, so after you do your workout, post about it so that we know, and then post something that you're eating, and we will be on the right track. Thanks, guys. I'm really excited.